Hello guys, let's cover the most important updates of Consumer Protection Act 2019. So we all know Consumer Protection Act is to redress the grievances of any consumer who is utilizing a service from a service provider. So different types of services are covered like banking services, automobile services, telecom services, medical services is also one of the services which we doctors are there to provide to the consumer, means patients. And if a patient suffers the grievance, if there is a grievance in the patient, so yes, he can go to consumer dispute redressal agencies, which are established at district level called as district commission, state level, state commission, national level, we have national commission. Now, a complaint will directly go to district commission since 2019 for up to 1 CR. The complaint will directly go to district commission. Earlier, this was 20 lakhs. So this is the most important update in 2019. A monetary compensation complaint for more than 1 CR to 10 CR will directly be lodged at state commission level. And if there is any complaint more than 10 CR, then the complaint will be lodged by the consumer at national commission level. So this is the most important update which can be asked as future exam questions. Another important thing to be remembered is resolution of consumer disputes should be done within how much time period? The simple answer is 3 months. But if testing or analysis of commodities is required, if any testing or test is required, like there is a side effect of a drug and the patient has made a complaint against the doctor or the pharmaceutical company. Now the company needs to test the drug now, which the patient is alleging that the drug has caused the side effect. So in relation to testing, some extra time is given. Now the resolution of consumer disputes, if testing is allowed, if testing is needed, becomes 5 months. In general, it is 3 months. So remember these important updates and stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting updates. Bye bye.